Right. Hi guys. Just going to check out an old air raid shelter. That's Ben.
Hi guys.
That's me. Sandy. We've been in this place a few times. It's we've had activity. Obviously it's daytime. See if we can find out today. Just a little investigation. Let me go up this hill.
Said it's an old World War II bunker.
What we know, looks like it's been hit by a bomb. Half collapsed. But it's safe as far as we know.
Well, I hope it is.
So people could have died in there as well.
We found before some really old belts.
That's a quarry sign next to it. Oh.
That was knackered me.
Exactly.
I think we need to go to gym.
Right. Nearly there. As you can see, it's just middle of nowhere.
First time ever was no one here. Bump into dog walkers. Last time I came, it was about 1 in the morning and there were people walking the dogs.
It is.
Dogs were walking them.
There's an old
Yeah, we'll have to wait for farmer to go for.
there's an old shelter up there.
Right. Oh, he's gone into the quarry anyway.
Bit strange, isn't it? Well, it's on a public footpath, so as far as we know. There's an old shelter up there you can't get into. It's been blocked up. This is the one. You can see it's caved in the middle. And there's one you can get into over there.
How's it gone
down here?
How did he go that way? But it's not even farming. As you can see on the show,
Yes.
it's like we used before.
Yeah, it's just I'll bomb that. Let's get down this hill. Like someone's them seats what we brought a while back.
Well, these beer cans aren't ours.
Yeah, it looks like someone's had a party down here.
One like this last time, wasn't it?
Not sure if I'm getting a torchlight on or not.
Took us chairs.
But yeah, there's
Yeah, last time we came.
an old belt. Obviously, someone's had a little party down here. So let's have a little look around anyway, to start with.
Well, last time we came, took a picture in that corner over there, where the camera's pointing. What appeared to be a lady figure. And we don't know.
Yeah, the EMF will going off as well, isn't it?
Yeah, EMF will going off. We placed the torch here on this rock. We asked it to turn off. And it did. It took a couple of minutes, but it went off. We asked it to knock it over, and again a few minutes later, it fell over. We don't know if that's paranormal or just where it was sat, but we'll let you decide.
What I said.
Oh, I forgot that top, right? Tapes in.
Put that on there for now. Won't really need it. It's not that dark today.
But it's cool, right?
Just press it again. Yes.
Turn off.
So do a quick EMF, see if I can turn the lights off. We've done it before. But we don't feel like faulty batteries or what, but did it on demand, didn't they?
Yeah.
So yeah, let's have a look. If I can. Right then, let's get a little one going. Right. If there's anyone here, just turn these lights off.
You affect these devices, turn them off or make them flash, or knock them over.
Alright. Just fire that up as well at the same time as well. What's that? Right.
Does it all the time down here? Don't have no volume.
Strange, isn't it?
Yeah.
Should we make a noise if anyone's here?
No volume on it. Maybe throw a stone at wall. If you can hear that, it's just a cow. Sounds like it's getting butchered. One at two. Oh dear. Can you affect at least one of those devices, please? Use our energy if you want not to take energy from them. We know you can do it 'cause I think you did it last time. Coincidence if not.
Did it on demand as well, somebody asked it to do it.
Yep, straight away on command. So it's a bit hard to debunk that, but tried as best.
Just trying this one out. We'll do another one at night time as well.
Yeah, we'll be back tonight. Seems to be more active at night. Don't know why that is, but it's like somebody's had a fire as well. Fair enough, drink down here, but you don't have to fry the cans, do they?
Is that right? We'll on to the next one.
Yep. We'll be back tonight. This video is just to show you.
A quick little video on it.
You're a farmer or something. Oh, there's a little tractor. Fully dragging that cow. He's just bummed back to his house. Right. Oh, put them torches up.
This one's a bit more tricky.
Right, it's still here, but loads of snails here. Try and catch them for you.
We're not actually literally catch snails, right?
Yeah, we're not snail catchers, but snail catchers.
That's a bit dark, this one.
How do you put light on this? Oh, come on. It's dark, isn't it? There's even a can down here. One can. No, two. Yeah, I don't know if you can see them. Just snails live here now. I wonder if they're dead, they never seem to move. Whoa. French would have a field day down here, wouldn't they? Fucking hell, that's horrible. Look at that.
To think you're going to move in down here as well.
Oh, glad I didn't, I? Bit of laminate on floor and that. Be alright, wouldn't it?
Right, yeah, Gary.
Tired, aren't I?
Film's here. You turn his lights off.
Place the light in each corner. It's up to you which one you want to affect. I better get them both on, but maybe knock one over. Yeah, I've got them both in now.
Throw a brick at Ben.
Throw a brick at Andy. So I've just got a right draft at back of me, but there's a big hole there, isn't there? You throw something, knock that can over. It's not ours, by the way, guys. I will mention we haven't had any activity in this one yet, have we?
No.
So I was being into one. Yeah, I don't really like standing there near all them snails.
Time of year, it's getting cold, isn't it?
Yeah.
Snails need B&B.
Still something like that, but you know, dropping off roof, can it? We're just going to be quiet for 2 minutes.
make a torch flicker or turn one off.
That spirit box working here.
Try it.
It's my torch. Flashing, flicking, clicking, whatever you wish. It's just...
It is weird, but you seem to get more activity at night time.
We do. Must have jobs or something.
Yeah, I thought I do, yeah.
Yeah. Why there's tiles down here? Someone's dumped them. I haven't found no belts in here either, have we?
Yeah.
Someone's been having some fun. It's definitely not me and Andy. Oh dear.
How do you come down here anyway? Right, don't like what's going on.
No. So it's not really an investigation, this. We'll just, that'll be tonight, we'll just come to show you today where we'll be tonight.
Conclude restarting tonight.
Yep. Right guys, we might go somewhere else now. But we'll definitely be back here tonight. If we do go somewhere else, we'll make a little video. Right, from me and Andy. See you soon.